Hey, what's up? So this is like the third video of the Master at Arms series here. The first one was the Police Academy Complete Guide, which now has, a lot of views. It's the #1 video on this channel. Number 2 is the room tour for the Police Academy, the MAA school. And so for the aspirational Master at Arms out there, the people that are interested in joining this rating, I thought I'd provide some further information, clarification to like what the job is actually like, what you can expect. And so for today, we're going to go through the equipment that I'm issued as an MA. And so let's just get into it. Now, as you can see, we have all of the equipment out here. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end to get all the pertinent information that you need to make an informed decision for yourself and your own career. So first here, here's the Navy working uniform Type 3. It's the uniform that everybody gets in the Navy. So you're going to have one flag patch on each arm. That's the national flag, and then you got the command flag, or it could just be, if you don't like those ones, you can just buy these from the store. These are a little bit cheaper, and they're fine. So as an MA, you're going to have a badge above your right pocket. You might be wondering why it isn't over the left pocket like every other police force. And besides some traditional answer there might be, I believe it's just because for like dress uniforms they want to have the space blank for ribbons. So, and then you have the rank tab for Master at Arms 3rd class, which is what I am right now, and of course my name is on there. Now this is worn for like more moderate climates and maybe even colder climates. You can also wear it with the turtleneck underneath, just like the the old days where they have the tight neck turtleneck for colder climates. You can wear that underneath it. But if you're in the command that's hotter, you might move over to the frog top. Now, believe it or not, this is clean right now, but it's also well used, and in the Middle East it can get up to 130 degrees outside, and it sure looks like it. But the purpose of this is it's like a shirt with jacket sleeves, and you're like, well, why is that? Well, when you have all that stuff on your chest, it's way hotter than if you have just a shirt. And you don't have to wear an undershirt with this, but with the Type 3 you do. You have to wear an undershirt with it, and if you're caught without it, you're going to get in trouble. So don't do that. So, but either way, if you choose the frog top or you choose the regular N-dub, you have to wear, obviously, hopefully some pants. Here's my pants. And you get the regular belt buckle from the Next. This was like 10 bucks. It's a good belt. And you can still use the one from boot camp if you want, but it's annoying because with that one, the belt buckle keeps falling off. But anyway, so this is the extra M4 pouch for your leg. So if you somehow have a vest that, maybe you don't like having your magazines there, you can put them on your leg. So that might be different from command to command, but for here, I got issued that. And we're going to get to that in a minute, but this is kind of the main event right here. This is my vest. And it might change again from command to command, but from the pictures you can just Google. This is what most of them look like. It's going to be like a black vest with US Navy on it. Now with this is my custom patch that I actually had put on. It's MA3 Beck, that's me. And there's my badge on there. What I did was I took the badge they give you in A school and I gave it to the uniform shop here, and they turned it into a Velcro patch. And you just stick it on there, good to go. Same goes for this. This is just Velcro. Now, I'm not going to touch on this too much, but obviously this is for a radio. Now, I'm just going to say this. Yes, it does work. Yes, it will save your life. And, it's real. This isn't just for show. It's not just for, some kind of movie effect. This thing will literally save your life. So it's not to be taken lightly. I'm not going to get into what it can stop or anything like that, but yes, it does work. Now, what I find myself doing is up here I keep my little notepad. Obviously, if you're like in police or security, you want to take notes of stuff that's happening. Somebody tells you something, you put it in the notepad. You always want to have a pen on you. I mean, this is part of your uniform, especially for this uniform. Some people don't even know. There's a little holder, maybe you can see it, for your pen. You can put a pen right in there. And it's designed specifically for that. So for your vest, you want to have a pen on you at all times. So, but that's that. You want to have like the handcuff key in the front so it's readily available. We got 2 pistol magazine carriers. We got the baton holster. Back here is the handcuffs, which are actually in here. And then you got your pistol holster on the right because I'm right-handed. And then this is the very, very scary, very deadly, not actually deadly, but you know, it is very scary, the OC spray. Because being sprayed with that, if you don't know, it's really something else. But the reason why the handcuffs are in the back is because if you're on top of someone, you don't want to be like fumbling trying to get your handcuffs and you don't know where they are, so they should go on your back. And the key's in the front, so it's readily available. As for the OC being in the front, you know, it's just a good spot for it. And it's just, you know, it's my personal setup. You can change it if you don't like it. And, you know, it's just, it is what it is, you know. And then that's my helmet. I am allowed to have a cover for it, but you'd have to go to get it. And, you know, I'm not going to get into when we wear it, why we wear it, but I'm just going to say we have it. So that's a basic breakdown. Now, of course, there's also footwear. So here are my Oakley boots. Again, they've been used and weathered. And when they get dirty, I find myself, you know, you just tuck the laces in there and put them in the washing machine, or you can just put them in your bathtub and wash them off and then, you know, wait for them to dry. But you also have a standard pair of black socks. You're supposed to have black socks when you wear this uniform, and you can't have like Pokemon socks or Mickey Mouse socks. They want you to have black socks, and sometimes they might even inspect that, so, you know, play it straight. But that's a basic understanding of an MA's gear, and it can't be much different from what you can expect from your first command or frankly any command that you go to. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.